Are you a new real estate agent? Perhaps you've been in the business a little while and you're struggling to get by. Right about now, you're probably thinking, man, what do I do next? You're probably getting bad advice from managers. Perhaps you're spending money on things that you shouldn't be spending money on, and you're just getting no consistency in income, or perhaps none at all. Maybe you don't have any business today and you're trying to learn what the process is in order to build a real estate business. Well, I'm Matt Durbin with Mad Real Estate Coaching, and we've developed a real estate roadmap for that specific reason. Every day we talk to new real estate agents that have been in the industry for less than a year, maybe less than 2 years. And they just simply don't know where to spend their time. They don't know where to spend their money if they've got any. They don't know what to do on a day in and day out basis. And they're just struggling. And so we created the real estate roadmap. I'm going to show you our 10-week program and kind of how we dive into everything here. So first week, we go through strategic goal setting. So we're going to look at what are the goals, why are the goals what they are, and how to break that down into daily activities. We're going to be very strategic with the way that we run our real estate business. Week 2, we're going to run through the cash machine system. This is a system that we created to run, every potential marketing pillar through it to make sure that it is the right one for you. So we're going to take you through that process. Week 3, we're going to run with fast money for buyers, how to work buyer leads and how to get money now. Week 4, can't wait to list. If you're waiting to work with sellers in a market like this, you're going to be waiting forever. So you need to start working with sellers from the jump. So we're going to show you how to do that. Database gold mine. This is something that you've got to start with from day one, how to build your database the right way, the correct way, and to build your business, because that's what you're going to pull from in 2 to 3 years. Social media strategies. Now, a lot of people spend a lot of time on social media. We're going to show you how to do it the right way. Schedule your day like a pro. You need to start treating this like a business, and you need to start treating it, your calendar and your schedule like a business. Sell or be sold. Now, we're not going to show you how to just be a slimy salesman, but we're going to show you how to sell the correct way and how to sell from a expert value opinion, as opposed to being sold by the buyer or seller why they're not going to work with you. Market to make money. We're going to show you how marketing and direct response marketing will get you direct results and make money in your business. Not market to brand, which is going to take a long time. And then finally, be the CEO of your business. We're going to show you how to set up your business the right way, your accounting, your books, and run this like a business, because that's what it is. You're a business owner. So if you're struggling, maybe you're a brand new agent, maybe you've been in a business a year or two and just never got a good start. You're looking for a reset. Sign up now, click the link below, check out our real estate roadmap. We're going to have a video there where I take you in depth a little bit further on all of the trainings, the week by week schedule. There's no way you don't find value in this. And we know there's a big hole in our industry, and it's a hole with new real estate agents. The failure rate is so high that we just had to create a real estate roadmap, because we've done it wrong a lot of times. I've done it wrong in multiple markets and multiple times when I started over. So I want to show you what not to do and how to run your business the right way the first time. Click below and check out the real estate roadmap. Thanks again.